ridiculous. I look insane.
Oh, before I let you
This is what the future sound like.
Okay, so today we are doing a sleek ponytail on Texlax hair. I want to say I am. Why can't it recognize me? This is my face. I want to say I think I'm. You know, let's just check YouTube. That's why I like filming videos, because you can always tell. You can always like keep track of things. Okay, let's scroll. Okay, so I am almost 3 months post my roots out of there. Okay, so we are gonna start off with this. Now, I've been thinking about doing the big chop, but I get triggered every time I cut my hair, whether it be a trim. Well, that's the only thing I've been doing, trims. Every time I like trim my hair, my eyes start to water. Maybe I'll post a video as to why that happens. Maybe I won't. But I don't think I need a trim right now. No, I'm tired. I don't feel like doing that. So I have 3 scrunchies. 1 stretched out one, and then 2 regular sized ones. I'm not going to use all 3. I just have one here because I just grab whatever I see. I have this brush. Don't know why I have it. This is what I use for blowouts on my wigs and like blow drying my wigs. But I have it here just in case I might need it. I can't find my Denman brush. I think that's why I brought this out. I have my Cream of Nature Argan Oil for natural hair. I am not natural, as you know. I don't think I will ever go natural. I think I will. Maybe I'll just do the transitioning thing and just not chop off my hair, and then when I get enough to wear enough to grip and cornrow back, then I'll chop it, maybe. But then again, every time I realize I could pull my, so last time I did a big chop, I'm just talking here. Last time I did a big chop, chopped it off to like this much, right? And then I was natural for about 1.5 years. And then by, I want to say the 8th month of me being natural, I realized I could pull my shit into a ponytail. But I was like, you know what, let me wait. I'm gonna wait. So once that 1.5 year mark hit, I was like, you know what, bet we're going back to texturizing, because I was breaking combs like every wash day. It's just too much work, you know? Are we gonna focus or not? Untexturized, loving it. My hair is still dumb thick. Still breaking combs. And yeah, so, okay, back to what I was saying. So I have the Cream of Nature Argan Oil, Moisture Recovery Leave-In Curl Milk, whatever. I have the GOAT. This is the best thing ever. I have 4Z hair. So when I'm freshly Texlaxed, I don't need this. I could just go about, not even Eco Styler. I could just use mousse, slick my shit and go about my business. But since I'm like almost 3 months post, you gotta use this. It is the Cream of Nature Shine and Hold Control Glue. It is the best thing ever. I don't know why people don't talk about it. You don't even have to add more. Like when it's a couple days have passed, you just put water and it reactivates it. Sis, it's legendary. It doesn't flake. It holds your shit, okay? It holds it and it's amazing. Cream of Nature, sponsor me. I have this rat tail comb with the fine teeth. I have a regular tail comb. I have this wide tooth detangling brush. My hair is detangled. I don't really need it, but I think I'm gonna need it to like pull into a ponytail. Because again, I lost my diamond brush. I have the Eco Styler Black Castor and Flaxseed Oil Gel. Love this. This is the best one. This and the, I think it's the, is it shea butter or cocoa butter? The gold one. The one in the gold jar. I like that. I have Edge Booster. I don't think I'm going to need this considering I'm going to be using the Cream of Nature Shine Hold Control Glue. But whatever. And then I have this thing right here. It is the best. It's the most stiff brush known to man. It is so great. It works like a charm. I also have my Revlon Equip Instant Beauty Keratin Enriched Hydro Nutritive Detangling Conditioner. Love this. Use it when I blow dry. Use it when I just need to refresh my hair. I just use it all the time. Doesn't matter what I'm doing. I'm just gonna use this so like my hair, cause like right now it's like, as you can see, it's like blown out and stuff. I need a little bit of texture, and like I like when my hair like the least amount of dampness, but close to dry, so that I can manipulate it better. Cause when it's like this, it's hard to pull into a ponytail. I don't know, it's my hair. Okay, so I have freeze spray for the flyaways, and then I think that's it. Oh, and then I have. It looks ridiculous because it fell on the floor, but this thing right here, I think it's 24 inches. It's a drawstring ponytail. Great. I'm not using bundles for my hair. I don't keep it in that long, so I like to use this one because it matches my texture. I just don't like seeing. I just think it's weird if you have textured hair. Like highly textured, like my kind of hair, and you're out here having like straight bundles or body weight bundles connected to your head top. It makes no sense to me. So either go for this or use kinky straight. Kinky straight is an option. I don't have to go do that. When I have my U-part waves, I use kinky straight. When I get I-tips, are they called I-tips or micro links? Either or, I'm gonna use kinky straight. Why? Because that is my hair texture. So yeah, I'm gonna hang that on the doorknob. We're gonna get started. Cool. Now I am going to spray my hair using the Revlon Equave. Just going to lightly spritz. Have no rhyme or reason. Just make sure that there's moisture in there. It's already starting to revert, because why? Why won't it ever let me be great? Now I'm going to put in the Cream of Nature Moisture Recovery Leave-In Curl Milk. I think that's what it's called. I don't know, but whatever. I'm just going to take this amount and then work it into my hair. Because I'm going to keep this ponytail in for, I want to say 2-3 days. I'm going to switch. I have another one. So I have the Yaki ponytail that I just showed y'all, and then like this massive curly one that I like. Now when I switch between ponytails, all I do is just take my hair down from the ponytail and then just reapply everything, because I don't like, there's no point in washing it because my hair doesn't get dirty that fast. Yeah, see, as you can see, it's already starting to revert. So it's gonna be easier, a tad bit easier to manipulate. My roots, baby, Jesus. They are ridiculous. See, like that. But now I am going to, what am I going to use? Oh, Eco Style. I didn't even show you how much I'm using, but I'm just going to put it on my sideburns as well. When my hair is texlaxed, I just scoop out a little bit of of my sideburns and leave them out. But this time, since they are growing like my roots are, I just slick them all the way back. See, like y'all can see, if I zoom the difference, like my hair completely reverted now, my roots. I have about an inch of growth between my roots and my texlax end, and it's ridiculous. So I'm just gonna comb this through We're gonna see how if I can do this without a dead end brush. So the Eco Styler just gets my hair to where I want it to go, but the real star of the show, as I mentioned before, Cream of Nature Shine and Hold Control. Okay, so I'm gonna take this amount, rub it in my hands, and then boop, boop, just on. And just make sure I get the back of my hair too, and around my ears, because I've noticed when I don't pay attention to around my ears, shit don't be staying. But let me get a scrunchie ready. Put it in my wrist like so. I'm gonna take, let's see if this works. Yes, it does. All right, so I'm just brushing it. I'm not doing a high ponytail. I think I just want it, ooh, it's prickly, but I love it. Again, making sure I get around my ears. Okay. I think I just want it around here. Yeah, right there is perfect. Okay. I'm gonna take my tail comb and just comb the product through. I'm not due for another touch-up until October. So I'm gonna see if I can wait that long. I'm gonna see if I can wait that long because I don't like to texture. Oh, that hurt. This brush is amazing, but it's so damn painful. You know when you're like stiffening your neck? That's what I'm doing right now. Boom. Okay? We're set. Now, I'm just going to take my scrunchie and wrap it around that many times. I don't know how many times I was, and then I'm just going to twist my hair. And my hair definitely grew because the last time I did this, I didn't have much to twist around. Okay, and then I'm just going to pull it through, and then I have a little Timbit on the back of my head. I'm gonna spray some freeze spray. Okay, so I'm gonna take my toothbrush that I use for my edges. I am going to take my edge booster. Is this Style Factor? I knew it, that's why. Okay, I'm just gonna apply some product to my edges, not too much. Or maybe I might drag out my sideburns. Okay. And then I'm just going to. Okay, this brush isn't wood. There we go. And then again here. And then hair is sleek. Now I'm going to take this wrap thingy. Not sure what it is exactly, but they sell it in beauty supply. And I'm just leave that there. And then while that's baking or whatever, I'm gonna take this bad boy. She's been through it. She's been in storage. So we're gonna pop her in my head and then we're gonna blow dry her for a bit of mobility or whatever. Okay. Put the comb under. There we go. All right. I'm going to take my blow dryer. I'm going to leave the comb on. I'm going to blow dry this bad boy. I'm going to split it. Take this section here and just make sure it is combed through. I don't want no issues. I'm gonna leave it on low heat but high speed. Yeah. I'm gonna take these scissors and just, there we go. Cut off the ends and couple out. Let's do the grand reveal. Oh yeah, she's sleek. Had to get the thumbnail or whatever. Alright, and then this is the final look or whatever. Let me zoom y'all in. Oh, never mind, we're fully in. But this is the final look. She's sleeked. She's gonna hold for, I wanna say 3-4 days. And when I need to reactivate her, I don't need to add any more of this. Like I said, Cream of Nature, sponsor me. I love you. I love you so much, okay? All I gotta do is just spritz some water. But in my case, I'm just gonna use my Revlon Equave again, reactivate it, slip it back, and then switch to the big puffy curly ponytail, okay? Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Before I let you, before I let you, before I let you.